This is the question of exercise 3A. Question number first. M 2 kg to gram. 2 kilogram we have to change into the gram. So what we know, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, and we have to change this bigger unit into the smaller unit. So from we are as you know, when you have to convert a bigger unit in the smaller unit, you have to multiply. So this question, 2 kilogram will be equal to 2 into 1000, means 2000 grams. Now this is also the same question, 4.5 kilogram to gram. So 1 kg we know that 1000 gram. So multiply 1000 into the 4.5. So now multiply it. So as you know that when a decimal number multiply by 10,000 and 10,000 or 100, then that decimal place will move towards the right hand side. So and how many places that decimal point will move? As the number of zeros in the multiplier. So the multiplier having the 3 0, so this decimal point also move 3 places. So one place moved, no problem. Now second place, when it moved, so there is no number, so we will put a 0. So one place, two place moved. Now third place, when the third place it moves, there is no number, so we will put a decimal point. So after the 3 jump or 3 move of the decimal point, we will put the decimal point. So our answer now 4.5 is equals to 4.5 kilogram is equals to 4500 gram. Now here in this question, two different units are given, in 1 kg and gram. You have to change it into the gram. So what we will do, this kilogram we will change into the gram. So we know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So 6 kg equals to 6000 gram. Now add this 3000 with this. So it will be equal to 6300 gram. So 6 kg 300 gram change into the gram, into the single unit. Next, this question is also same as the last question. 3 meter 50 centimeter. So this 3 meter we will change into the centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter equals to 3 into 100. So 300. So 300 and this 50, 350. So total 350 centimeter. Now these questions are different because here millimeter and here meter is written. Now just think, this unit millimeter is smaller than the meter. So now this question is based on change the smaller unit into the bigger unit. Now how to change? Now if you remember this diagram, millimeter is changed to the meter. So we have to, how many jump we have to move? 1, 2, 3 jump. So that's why 3 jump means 10 into 10 into 10 equals to 1000. So we have to write 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 1000 meter. So multiply the given number 21 into 1 upon 1000. Okay, so 21 upon 1000 means what? We have to move the decimal point how many places? The number of zeros. So 3 zeros are there, so we have to move this decimal point 3 places. So decimal in a whole number, 21 is a whole number, so we will assume the decimal point after 1. Now 3 places we have to move. So 1 place, 2 place. After 2 place there is no number, so we will include 0 here and then move the decimal point. So after 1 place we reach to between 2 and 1. Then after second move we reached between 0 and 2, and after third place we reached before the 0. So here we will put the decimal point. So our answer is 0.021, or we can also write 0.021 meter. Now this millimeter is changed into the meter. Now 29 meter we have to change into kilometer, meter into the kilometer. So as you know, 1 meter equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. And how? Meter into the kilometer. So meter to kilometer we have to move backward. So that's why here we have written 1000. So divided by 1000, so we got 0.029. Now this question is also same as the previous one. So these questions are based on smaller unit is converted into the bigger unit, smaller unit converted into the bigger unit. So these all three questions are same. Next question, meter into the kilometer. We have to change 7 meter into the kilometer. So we have to divide it by 1000. So while dividing by 1000, this 7 is a whole number and we will assume the decimal point after the 7. Now we have to move the decimal point how many places? The number of zeros in the divisor. So divisor having the 3 0. So after one place it will reach before 7. Now there is no number, so we will include the 0 here. Now one more place we will move. Now second move, after second move the point will come before this 0. Now for the third jump we are not having any number, so we will include a 0 here and then we will move one more place. So 1 2 3. So in the case of divide we have to move right to left. So after 3 jump we have to put decimal point at here. So our answer is 0.007, or before this 0 we can put a 0.